Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Ecuador together. This is La Chorora from the Loja region. The variety is Typica and Catuai and the process is a classic natural. For more details on this coffee, visit our webshop. To release all flavors of this coffee from Ecuador, prepare 200 grams of third wave water at 93 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Weigh out 14 grams of coffee and grind them on click 21 of your Comandante. This leads to a lovely acidity and rich body. To avoid unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water, warming up your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake. Get ready for the 3 pours. Pour 1, 40 grams over 7 seconds, rather active circular, to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. Step 2, starting at 30 seconds, another 80 grams over 15 seconds, soft circular pouring, starting to extract the complex flavors of La Chorora. Pour 3, starting after 1 minute and 20 seconds. The last 80 grams over 10 seconds, active circular pouring leading to a balanced, multi-layered and clean cup. Swirl the brew at 1 minute and 40 seconds, leading to an even more balanced cup profile with this coffee. After a total brew time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds, you can enjoy the flavors of lavender, rosemary in an explosion of coffee cherry pulp. Enjoy!